In the last year, I've printed so many fidget toys. It's literally insane. So these are my top 10 favorite fidget toys. I'm going to do something a little bit different this video. I'm just going to talk and just go off the cuff and rant a little bit. So here we go. This is a gyroid. It's using a dual color. It's pretty interesting. I used the clear filament and dark blue from what it looks like. It spins pretty uniquely. Next up, we have the Infinity Cube. This thing is actually really cool. I love it. It just keeps folding and folding. I used crystal blue PLA. It gives it that really cool ombre look. And it's just really fun. It feels really good in your hands as well. If you can't tell, I'm tired. It's been a long last 2 weeks teaching myself to sculpt in Nomad, uploading files, finding new things to print. So I'm just going through all the stuff that I love that I have already. Why print new stuff when you can see some of the old stuff you haven't seen in a while or never seen before? Next up, we have this fidget. It's like a triangle thing. I forget what it's called, but it makes this really weird pattern. And then when you slide it up and down, it makes that awesome sound. Look at that. It looks so crazy. I really love fidgets because they're just so interesting. Love that sound. And up next, we have this planetary gear. This is a multicolor print. Obviously, you would need an AMS to actually print this, but they also have single color options. Some of these designers are actually amazing with how they come up with different things that just roll so seamlessly. I mean, look at the triangular patterns, and then it just rolls along as a gear. Remember, somebody got so upset and was like, obviously this guy doesn't know geometry. Whatever, dude. Okay. And here's a ninja star. I think this one is by Proto Dad. He actually has a big version of it, and I have it in one of my older videos. I broke with it like the first day because my son was flipping it around, and yeah, I hit my metal chair and it broke. But it spins really cool. I love that all the pieces print on one plate, even the bearings. And here's a fidget flower. This thing is pretty big compared to the original. Doesn't look that big on video, but trust me, for some reason I'm sticking my finger inside of the fidget to do that weird bee butt looking thing. Okay. Get your finger out there. Oh, dude, the sound is so awesome when you just put it up and down like this. Yeah, this thing is totally cool. Love it. All the kids love that too. I have a really big family. And we have this blob looking thing. I forgot what this one's called too, but it kind of acts like it's slime or something, like the way it folds in and out. It's pretty crazy. Look at that. I just want to mention too, you can find all of these files in the link in my bio. If you go to Steal My Files, you guys don't know where the bio's at. If you're on YouTube, it's the channel description. TikTok, it's in the bio. Instagram, in the bio as well. Like I said, I've been really busy and I've been designing new files. These are shoulder pets. They are magnetic. You can see on the bottom, that's where the magnet goes, and there's a piece that goes in your shirt. You can download it for free right now on Maker World. So go check it out in the link in the bio. Here's another planetary gear. I really like this one because it spins super good. Detail is amazing. Look how it turns. It's so weird looking. Look at that. And like I said, it spins really good, especially for a print in place. I mean, you don't even have to assemble it. You just take it out, start spinning it around. It's good to go. We have this Stargate looking thing. Kind of looks like an Oreo cookie. But what you do is just give it a little twist. Look at that. So cool. Love it. That thing is awesome. Somebody told me that I should put a hot dog in there and like try to decapitate it. I'm not going to do that. That's weird. But as always, you can find all the files featured in my video in the link of my bio.